Words are contracts. You always keep your word. Every word you say is a paver, laying a path for you to follow. Every word you say, whether to yourself or in conversation with another person, is a contracted path directing your actions. So it's both contracted in that it narrows the field to only what you have said, but it's also a contract in that it's written that you wrote for yourself to follow. So you say, so you do. Here's an example. If you say, I will quit smoking weed tomorrow, you have written a contract with yourself that binds you into a loop of constantly smoking weed. How did I do that? Simple. Tomorrow never comes. So you have written into your contract a way of avoiding responsibility. You have now absolved yourself from any ability to respond. You completely avoid doing the work of quitting because quitting is based on a time frame of never. Because tomorrow is never. Tomorrow never comes. Since your quitting is contingent on never, you never need to quit. So you say, so you do. Word your life deliberately. Namaste.